Do you think that
Kailan
is
kaya
better?
magmura
It is better po
yung
na dapat
bigas
sa national
dyan sa
government
Pilipinas?
ang humawak po nitong batas na national
Not
government.
everybody agrees with you.
Kailangan na
Well,
iboto
not
na
everybody
Ako,
agrees
I
with you.
don't
That's
agree.
right.
Alam nyo,
Maybe
sinasabi
you don't
ko nga
agree
sa
because-
kanila, ako,
because-
I'm a daughter of a mayor.
Session suspended for 1 minute.
Kung yan po yung inyong premise, bakit hindi lang po natin tulungan
Ang
itong mga
tanong,
maliit na farmers,
bakit
bigyan na lang po
daw
sila ng
mahal
punan
ang
para
bigas
magkaroon po sila
sa
ng
Pilipinas?
maging mechanized na po yung kanilang farming.
Binibigyan po.
Well, then,
Oo,
instead na
binibigyan
bibilin po yung kanilang mga lupa, pabayaan na lang po natin sila na isaka yung kanilang lupain at
Meron
tutulungan
po.
na lang po sila
Meron po.
na para
Meron
hindi na po
po.
ma-convert yung kanila pong mga farm into subdivision, into commercial area, and what have you.
So I have no guilt to any rice farmers.
I'm not
All
saying-
the money that came from the rice tarification
I'm not saying po
were
na kayo po'y
given
guilty.
back to the